Thank you, G. Yeah. All right. So the next topic. I'm not going to tell you the topic right now. Okay. I want some good participation happening here. We want to do it very fast. Okay. So I'm going to draw a right triangle. I'm going to draw a right triangle. Yes, Dinesh. All right. So for the next topic, I'm just going to draw a right triangle. Okay. Leave place for the topic, and you can draw along with me. Okay. So I have A, B, C here. Okay. And let A be theta. Okay. B is right triangle. B is right angle. Now I want you to tell me, think and tell me. Okay. If A is 15 degree, what C will be? What C will be? If theta is 15 degree, what C will be? Raise your hands to tell me quickly. What will be the value of C? Oh, ho, 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 ho. Can you guys not hear me? Bindu, go ahead. Bindu, go ahead. Hello? Yes.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Sir, 87.
87.
Yes, sir.
Bindu, you're wrong, Bindu. Let me go to Manisha.
Sir, 75.
75 degree. How you are getting Bindu 87? Bindu, in the interest of time, otherwise I would have taken this and clarified it to you. Just let me explain this to you. A plus B plus C, B is already 90. So you leave this 90 out. A plus B plus C is 180. So A plus C has to be 90. Okay. So if A is 15 plus C is equal to 90, so C is equal to 90 degree minus 15 degree. Okay, that's equal to 75 degree. Bindu, we good here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Simply 187 you got, where you just take that out. Okay. So now now let me change the question. Okay, let me change this question. Now here, suppose I have 30 degree. Can I get C? If I know this is 30 degree, can I get C? Quickly, Bindu, can you tell me what will C be? Just by mentally, can you tell me? Who can tell me mentally? Raise your hand if you can tell me. Nishchay, go ahead.
Sir, 60.
60. Very simple. Now, what's funny? What's something which is happening here which you have never seen before, Nishchay? But something special which is happening here, which is telling you quickly that it is 60. Okay, let me put the question this way. Are you seeing a relationship between angle A and angle C? Are you seeing a relationship between angle A and angle C? Is anyone seeing a relationship there? Raise your hands if you are seeing something. Not just angle sum property. That is, angle sum property will have A plus B plus A plus C plus B. Okay. But if I remove B, still A plus C, is there some relationship there? Manisha? Manisha?
Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees.
Angle A plus angle C, whatever happens, angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. So what are these angles called? Manisha, if angle A and angle C are 90 degree, what are they called? Is there a name for that?
Sir, supplementary. Sir, complementary, sir. Complementary.
A and C are complementary. Okay, so this is our next topic, guys. Trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. Basically, for complementary angles, and basically what we are going to use is we're going to use the same triangle. Okay, we're going to use the same triangle ABC. I want you to tell me, if A is theta, what will C be? What will be the value of C? Tulsi, if A is theta, what will be the value of C?
Sir, it will be 90 minus theta, sir.
Perfect. A is theta. Okay. A is theta plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. So angle C is equal to 90 degree minus theta. Okay, and this is how we're going to do this whole derivation, whole next topic. Okay, so if angle A is equal to theta, then all of this will happen. Okay, everyone good so far? Yeah, C is equal to 90 minus theta. Okay, this is going to lead to a very important thing. Okay, something which we must have observed already when we were seeing values of sine 9, sine 30, cos 90, all of that, when we're seeing those specific angle values. But I want you to take this down right now. Whatever is written, I want to take this down. Okay, and then I'll move into the T ratios. I'll give you 1 minute. 1 minute, quick. I'll send you a screenshot, Dinesh. Okay, 1 minute. I want it to be in your notebook quickly. Manasa is there. Has Manasa joined? Manasa has not yet joined.
No.
Marking her as absent. Okay, take this down, and we're going to move on to what we are doing here. Okay, I'll tell you what we're doing here. Nishya, are you done taking it down? Not yet. Tell me if you're done taking it down. Okay, 5. I'll give you 10 seconds more. Otherwise, the screenshot is in the chat box. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, this clear? Is there any confusion about if this is theta, this is 90 minus theta? Is there any confusion about that? I want it to be written in your notebooks. Okay, I want it to be written. If A is theta, angle A is equal to theta, then angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. You can put any value for theta, you will get it. Okay, any value between 0 and 90. Okay, this is our conclusion. We're going to build up from here. Okay, so what we're going to start is we're going to write sine theta, all the T ratios. Okay, for theta, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cotangent theta, cot theta. Okay, I want someone who is ready to quickly tell me these ratios in terms of the sides. Whoever is ready, quickly. Dilruba, go ahead.
Sine theta is opposite side by
Tell
hypotenuse.
me which side. Tell me which side directly, Dilruba. Okay. ये थीटा है. आप मेरे को डायरेक्टली साइड
CB by CA.
CB by CA, perfect.
CB by CA, sir.
Hmm.
Then a co is BA by CA.
BA by CA, perfect.
Then tan theta is CB by BA.
CB by BA, perfect.
Cosec is CA by CB.
CA by CB, perfect.
Sec theta is CA by BA.
CA by BA, perfect.
Cot theta is BA by CB.
BA by CB, perfect. Okay, perfect, Dilruba. अब हम क्या करेंगे? I want you to do this. Okay, actually, if it is visible, it's better. I'll just make this a little bit smaller. Okay, Dilruba. Now what we are going to do? We are going to find sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta. Okay, it should be 90 degree minus theta, all of this. Okay, secant 90 degree minus theta and cot 90 degree minus theta. Who is going to do this with me? You all know where 90 minus theta is. Who is going to do this with me? Nishchay, go ahead, Nishchay. Guys, 90 minus theta is nothing but this angle. Okay, for this angle, you have to find the ratios. Go ahead, Nishchay.
Sir, it is BA by CA.
BA by CA. Perfect. Nishchay, I'll just explain this to the class. So, guys, we are seeing at this angle now. For this angle, opposite by hypotenuse. And this is adjacent. Okay, this is opposite. This is hypotenuse. And this is adjacent. Okay, the things only the opposite and adjacent have changed now. Okay, hypotenuse remains the same. Yeah. Nishchay, can you continue, please?
Yes, sir. Cos 90 degree minus theta is CV by CA.
CB by CA.
Tan 90 degree minus theta is BA by CB.
BA by CB.
Then cosec is CA by BA.
Cosec is CA by BA. CA by BA. Okay.
Sec is CA by CB.
Is equal to CA by CB. Very good.
Cot is CB by BA.
Wait, sec is CA by CB. Yeah. Cot is CB by
BA.
BA. Very good. Okay. Now, before I go to deriving anything from this, what we have done so far, is that clear or not? I got a fist of 5 in the chat box. If it is not clear, I want you to raise your hands. In the chat box, if it is not clear, I want you to raise your hands. Okay. Is it clear for you, people on the call?
Yes, sir.
Sir, why are we not writing value of sine, cos, cot? Nishchay, we don't know what the value of theta is. No, I'm saying any angle theta you take. That's why. Okay, Nishchay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'm taking any angle theta. That time I was just telling, I was to get to the point that they are complementary. I was taking a few examples and explaining. I think that time you were not there. Okay. So what we'll do is now, guys. So everyone clear? Using this green angle, I have found sine theta, tan theta. Using this blue angle, I have found sine 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus all of that. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to do one thing. Okay, I'm going to do one thing very, very simple. Escape. What is this? Okay. Now, this is in front of you. Okay. Now, I want you to think, look at this, and tell me, are you seeing any ratios which are same? Okay, I've used the same triangle. Okay, so if I've used the same triangle, whatever AB is in first one will be AB in this, or AB in all the ratios. Whatever BC is there, that is the same value. Okay. Now let's look at this and tell me, are you seeing any kind of any two ratios or more than two ratios having the same thing? So go ahead with G first. Go ahead, G.
Sir, cos theta angle, sir. It is
Cos theta ratio. This one.
ratio, sir. In the second one, it is with sin theta, sir.
Sin 90 minus theta. Just be careful
sin
about
90 minus theta ratio, sir.
Okay, so let me write this first thing down. Okay, cos theta. So let me write this one thing which you're saying is cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
These two are same. Okay, let's write this down. First one. What is the next one you're seeing? Tulsi. If you're seeing a different one, keep raising your hands. If you're seeing the same one, you can lower your hands. Tulsi.
Sir, cos theta is similar to sin 90 degree minus theta.
Already wrote, no. Next one you tell.
Sir, sin theta equals to cos 90 degree minus theta.
Very, very good. Okay. Sin theta is this CB by CA. Cos 90 minus theta is also CB by CA. So I can write this as sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Actually, let's write cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. This is what Tulsi is giving us. Okay, let's take, is there any are there anything else? Are there any other things? Is anyone saying anything else? Let's go to MG. MG, go ahead.
Sir, tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree theta minus theta.
Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Okay, I'm going to write that here. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. And a similar one, cot tan only, you tell. So tan theta and cot 90 minus theta. Are you seeing one more in tan and cot? MG? This and this are same, correct? Okay, I'll give you 5 for this. Let's see if anyone else can tell me another from tan and cot only. Nishchay, can you tell me another from tan and cot?
Sir, cot theta is equal to tan 90 degree minus theta.
Very good. What Nishchay is telling is this and this are also same. MG, can you see this now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'm going to write it as a third one. Tan of 90 minus theta is same as cot theta. Okay, is same as cot theta. Let's see, are we seeing something else now? Okay, 4 and 5. Let's 4 and 3 and 4 are done. 5 and 6. Let's see who all are seeing something more. Is there is something more? Dikshit, go over to you. Dikshit.
Before which mistake I told you.
What?
That was for the previous one, sir.
Okay, let's hear from Bindu then. Bindu, go ahead.
So cosec theta is equals to sec 90 degree minus theta.
Cosec theta is equal to secant 90 degree minus theta. Okay, be very, very careful. It's not directly following from the previous relationships. Okay, cosec theta is equal to secant 90 minus theta. Okay, one more. Bindu, can you only tell me between cosec and secant only one more is there? Let's go to Manisha. Manisha?
Sir, cosecant, sorry, sir. Secant theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus.
Secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. Okay, CA by BA both are. So secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 degree minus theta. Now basically what this means, guys, okay, what this means, I'll show you with an example. Okay, let's take an example. We already know the values of theta equal to, you don't have to copy right now. Okay, we know the values of theta equal to 30 degree. No, so 90 minus theta will be equal to 60 degree. No, so I'll just show you that. Okay, if you look at your table, there also you can see there is a table here. You see sine 30 degree and cos of 90 minus 30. 90 minus 30 is what? 60. They are having the same value. Sine 0 degree and cos of 90 minus 0. 90 minus 0 is 90 only. They are also having the same value. Sine 60. If theta is equal to 60. Cos of 90 minus theta is what? 90 minus 60 is 30. That is also having the same value. Are you observing this, guys? This is something we had already observed long back, but what this shows us, okay, it is not just for theta as 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, not just those 5 angles, but any angle you take from 0 to 90. Okay, I can take any angle from 0 to 90. Okay, suppose if theta is equal to 12 degree, then sine of 90 minus 12, that is how much? 90 minus 12 degree is sine of 78 degree. Okay, sine of 78 degree will be equal to how much? Cos of 12 degree. Okay, we don't know what it is. You can check right now. I want you to check. Open your calculator and find these two values, sine 78 and cos 12. Right now, find it and tell me if you're getting the same value or not. Sine 78 and cos 12. What value are you getting? Tell me. Sine 78 ka value. MG, can you tell me this one? Nishchay, can you tell me this one quickly? Sine 78, what are you getting? Cos 12, what are you getting?
Sir, cos 12 is 0.9781.
Okay. MG, tell me this one.
Sir, 78, sin 78 it is equal to 0.1391.
Are you sure, MG?
Sir, 0.9781.
9781. Okay, both are getting same. You took since sine 78, Nishchay got cos 12. If you can see, both are coming the same value. So what we are trying, we can't keep verifying, right? But this is a proof. What we just saw right now is a proof, and that is giving us 6 new formulas under trigonometry. Okay, these are the 6 new formulas under trigonometry. Okay, and this is called trigonometric relationships for trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. Okay, am I missing someone here? I don't know.
Sir, mine.
Manisha. Okay. All right. So these are. I want you to take this down. Okay, you have 2 minutes. Take things down. If there is anything you have not taken down so far. Okay, I'll put a snapshot in the chat. Okay. Yes, more formulas arriving. Riza, go ahead. You have a doubt?
Sir, no, sir. Sir, another thing is like I can even see tan 90 degree minus theta is reciprocal of tan theta, no, sir.
Good observation. Okay, guys, just so that we are very clear. Okay. See, in tan and cot, that reciprocal thing is also coming as 90 minus theta. But that's not happening in sine and cos or in secant and cosecant. Correct, Riza?
Yes, sir.
Just be aware of that. Okay. Just be aware of that. Simple ways you by heart all 6 of this. Okay. But people like me, some people have a want to spend some time. Okay, why this pattern is coming, this pattern is not coming. You will see that in tan and cot, that reciprocal is only coming as 90 minus theta also, 90 minus theta d ratio also. But that's not happening in sine and cos. You see, sine's reciprocal is cosecant. They are not related in complementary. Right, Riza?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sine, whereas the reciprocal of sine and cos, these are related in complementary and their reciprocals are also related. Okay. Okay, Riza?
Okay, sir.
All right, guys, I'm going to move on now. Okay, I'm going to do one question. Okay, because I'm going to give you a homework exercise. I'm going to do one question. All right, let's take. Suppose there's a question. Okay, let's take this question. Okay, question 1. Evaluate tan 65 degree by cot 25 degree. Okay. Tan 65 degree by cot 25 degree. Now these are random numbers. Okay, 65 and 25, we don't know what the values are. We have no idea. Obviously, we can use a calculator, but you will not have a calculator in your final exam. Okay, that's not permitted in 10th class. If things were up to me, it should be permitted, but it is not. So what we have to do is we have to see if there is some formula by which we can find this value. And as you know, tan 65 degree is same as, I can take any one of them. I can take tan or cot. But if I make both of them as tan and tan, something can happen probably. So that's what I'm going to do, because 90 plus 20, 90 plus 65, sorry, 65 plus 25 is actually 90. Okay. So if I make both of them either tan or cot, something can happen. I'm going to take the numerator. Okay. So tan 65 degree, I'm going to take the numerator as it is. Denominator, what I'll do, cot 25 is what? Cot theta, cot 25 I can write as tan of 90 minus 25. I can write it like this by using this particular formula. Okay. Where is that? Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Okay. So by using this, I am doing this. Okay. Any doubts in what I've done? MG? You have a doubt?
No, sir. I'm saying.
You're good? Okay. So that will become what? Numerator tan 65 degree. Denominator also 90 minus 25 will become 65. Tan 65 degree. Tan 65 degree numerator, tan 65 degree denominator. Cancel it off. Whatever the value is, we don't know. Tan 65 degree will be some value. It will get cancelled. It is 1. Okay. Any doubts in this? Any doubts in this so far? Give me a fist to 5 of your understanding of this particular question, and we'll wrap up this class. Give me a fist to 5 about your understanding of this particular question in the chat box quickly. Dinesh, we are here. Okay. What we made is denominator also we made as tan 65, and then we were able to cancel it off. Okay. Okay, guys. Now time for homework. Okay. Homework is you will have in your textbook. These are important. Okay. Example 10 and example this we did was example 9. Okay. So I want you to do example 10, example 11 first, and then move on to third exercise. Third exercise, all questions. Okay. Third exercise, all questions. In case there are still doubts about this, we will see if we need to hold a class tomorrow. Mostly there should not be doubts. If you are able to, if you are getting this and these two, you should be able to do third exercise, all questions. Okay. But if there are doubts, reach out to each other. If there's still doubts, we'll see. I'll not include, even though I include some questions from this, I will not calculate that as a part of your marks. Okay. For tomorrow's test. Right, guys, we're wrapping up this class. Let me know on a fist to 5 how you're feeling about this whole class, or just tell me how you're feeling right now. Okay. Type that in and you can drop off. Type how you're feeling right now and you can drop off. Thank you, guys. Just type how you're feeling and you can drop off this class.